In this video, I'll show you how to add money to Apple Pay Cash with a Visa gift card. This method works directly through your iPhone using the Apple Wallet app, and I'll walk you through each step so you can follow along easily. By the way, if you run a business, Apple Pay probably isn't the best option for you, but I'll explain more about that later in the video. To begin, unlock your iPhone and open the Wallet app from your home screen. Once the Wallet app opens, look in the top right corner and tap the plus icon. This is the option used to add a new card to Apple Wallet. When prompted, choose debit or credit card, since a Visa gift card is treated as a debit card. Next, tap Continue to move forward. If you're using an iPhone that supports card scanning, you can hold your Visa gift card near your phone to scan it automatically. If scanning isn't available, or if you prefer to enter the details manually, choose the option to type in the information yourself. Enter the cardholder name, the Visa gift card number, and then tap Next in the top right corner. Follow the on-screen prompts to finish adding the Visa gift card to Apple Wallet. Once the card is successfully added, it can be used as a funding source to add money to Apple Pay Cash, depending on card compatibility. After everything is set up, you'll be able to use your Apple Pay Cash balance for payments, transfers, and other supported transactions directly from your iPhone. Apple Pay is decent, but personally, I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. There's a link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, AirWallex is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world, in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what Apple Pay offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed AirWallex review covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.